Welcome to the HPN University Manager Best Practices Roadmap. The purpose of this tool is to provide you with practical ideas and best practices on how to fully maximize the HPN University with your advisors. In this episode, we're going to focus on our Firm Foundations Virtual Coach, which is a weekly dose of leadership content straight from our Firm Foundations Systems for Success live workshop program. You can find the Firm Foundations Virtual Coach under the main menu of the university under Leadership. This program consists of 12 video sessions from HPN CEO and industry icon Harry Hoopis and President Joey Davenport. This course reinforces concepts and best practices for a variety of agency building issues, including recruiting and selection, training and development, coaching and accountability, and leadership development. Even if you haven't attended the program in person, Firm Foundations Virtual Coach gives you a scaled-down version of the live workshop to help you align your leadership team and provide them with a turnkey approach to agency building, taking their organization to the next level. Put this program into place when you're onboarding new managers, or if you're building a leadership development program. Don't just limit this to new managers. Experienced managers or even top advisors interested in the leadership path will benefit. If you'd like to talk more about this or other best practices for using the HPN University, contact us for a free consultation at info@hoopis.com.